Guys, we are at the Funko Pop Store in California, and I just found some super awesome, cool stuff. Check it out, man. It's like the cantina. If you guys haven't been here, you have to visit. This is so much fun. Like, so much to see. I'm losing my mind. And then wait till you see this. Oh yeah, my favorite place. Look at this. What? Are you kidding me right now? This is so awesome. What? Wow, this is awesome. Freddie, what's up, buddy? Holy crap. This is amazing.